All right, friends and family, hello. This is Nathan at Hometown Amusement Creations. Today we're putting up our 40 by 60 West Coast frame tent. This tent is great for weddings, church events, revivals. If you have a big family reunion, this is going to be a good tent for you. This will hold 200 people for a sit-down dinner. So let's kind of walk around and check out what we got going on here. So right now we're starting to build from the top down. So we've got a crew of folks here. All right, so here we are, we're building out our corner of our frame tent. So we got 4 corners on the tent. So this is a top-down build.
So that's what we hook the jacks to. Oh, okay. Just want to get them all in and then pin them.
Okay, so now we have the right side of the frame tent. We have the top portion assembled. We're working on the left side. All right. All right, working on connecting the tents. All right, coming back to you. So we got the right side together. All right, we got the left side together. This is a 40 by 60 premium West Coast frame tent. All right. So starting to come together. Start to lay our legs down. Bless you. Yep. So. All right, so now we're lacing the top for the 40 by 60 premium West Coast frame tent. Starting from the left, working over to the right. So this is a 3-piece top for this configuration, 40 by 60 configuration. We can make this larger. We can make it shorter in length. So in here, and they're weaving, interlacing all the fabric. Miss Jenny's giving her sewing lesson for the day. And Brandon's overachieving. All right, so now we've got the top on and we are repositioning our jacks, going to the opposite side. So we have all of our cables connected, support cables, that one right here, that one right there. And we were working on our corners. We're releasing our jacks for reposition. And here we go. We're getting ready to lift this tent up here. Got everybody stationed on a jack. 12-foot jacks. Going up. Hold on, guys. Let Jenny catch up. All right, good, good. All right, pause. Go ahead and clean out all your dirt. Get all the dirt out of the hole. Got it? All right. Everybody ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Get all this dirt out. You might have to work. You might have to work this one over here, Ryan. I can't get that one out. The other ones are clear. That one right there. Hold on, whoa, hold on. Okay. Okay, all right. All right, he needs you on the other side when you're done, Ryan. All right, leg time. That's it, leg time. All right, hold on, guys. Jenny's got to catch up. All right, so now we're working on strapping the tent down. So I made a lot of progress. Got this A team out here.
What does this mean? What does that mean?
That's I.
I done seen an Italian do that.
That's I. That's J.
Oh, okay.